Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to attach these denim buttons on these sleeves. I'll show you two different ways. For first option, I'll use these Prym pliers to attach denim buttons. When you buy denim buttons, it usually comes with these nozzles which are same size as your denim button and your denim button post. And these nozzles I'll insert in my Prym pliers. Reason why I'm adding extra buttons on these sleeves because these sleeves are a little bit loose on my hand, as you can see. So I have marked one sleeve already, as you can see there. Now I will trace the same spot on other sleeves, so when I add denim buttons on the sleeves they are on the same position. Now I'll attach denim button on this sleeve. I'm poking that hole a little bit loose so it's easy to attach denim button post. I'll be using these Prym pliers to attach my first button. So the nozzles are inside in Prym pliers. I'm attaching button on a bigger nozzle and the post will go on other side of the Prym pliers. But first I'll attach this denim button post inside my denim where I have poked the hole, like that. Then I'm attaching that smaller nozzle to the denim button post, like that, securing that in place. And the denim button I'm pushing on that denim button post and squeezing really hard so it is attached properly, as you can see now. Really strong and secure. Second option is I will use this hammer to attach these denim buttons with this plastic tool, and the nozzles are same size as the denim buttons. Next I'll attach these nozzles on this plastic tool to attach my denim buttons. First I'm attaching button nozzle, then post nozzle. Next I'm inserting this button post in my denim where I marked, like that. Then I'm putting that post on a small nozzle, putting my denim button on the top of the post on the pokey side. And I'm hammering button and a post together so my button is attached to the denim, like that. If you have any questions how to attach denim button, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.